It is my pleasure to congratulate Jennifer Spencer, Educator of the Year for Conewago Valley School District. Jennifer Spencer is a 6th grade math and science teacher at Conewago Valley Intermediate School in the Conewago Valley School District. She is a remarkable educator who is truly worthy of recognition by the Hanover Area Chamber of Commerce. As a member of our professional staff for the past 14 years, Jennifer has been a positive influence on our school's culture and climate. Her relationships with students is unmatched. She routinely comes in early, gives up her lunch or prep time, and stays late for all the betterment of our students. It is not unusual to find Mrs. Spencer providing individual tutoring for students or conferencing with parents on ways to help with academic or social needs. This has been magnified during the pandemic as she consistently contacts students who have difficulty attending remote learning sessions or completing assignments while at home. Her willingness to go the extra step is truly admirable. Not only is Mrs. Spencer outstanding in the classroom, but her work as our student council advisor for many years has not gone unnoticed. As the faculty advisor, her leadership has been instrumental in many activities that enhance the positive experience and culture at CVIS. Fabulous Fridays, dress-up days, the annual talent show, and food drives are established traditions developed in no small part by Mrs. Spencer. These are greatly appreciated by all. Mrs. Spencer's involvement could go on and on, but suffices to say, she is a valued member of our CVIS staff. We are fortunate to have her as part of our team. Please join me in congratulating Jennifer Spencer, Educator of the Year for Conewago Valley School District and the Hanover Area Chamber of Commerce. Congratulations, Jennifer.